This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on a laptop without a mouse. First, let's cover basic movement. You'll primarily use the WASD keys to move your character forward, left, backward, and right. Alternatively, the arrow keys offer the same directional control. For jumping, simply press the spacebar. This setup allows for smooth navigation in most Roblox experiences, giving you full control over your avatar's actions. Next, let's master camera control and interaction. Your laptop's trackpad or touchpad is crucial for rotating the camera. Simply drag your finger across it. To zoom in or out, use a two-finger scroll gesture on the trackpad. Some games also allow camera rotation with the E and Q keys. For interacting with items or picking them up, the F key is your go-to. Now, let's explore some advanced actions and useful shortcuts. If your character gets stuck or you need to restart, pressing the R key will reset your avatar. For faster movement, holding down the Shift key often activates sprinting in many games. To view other players in your game, simply press the Tab key. And for accessing game settings or leaving, the S key brings up the Roblox menu. Finally, let's talk about customizing your experience. You can fine-tune your camera and movement sensitivity within the Roblox menu to suit your preferences. While playing without a mouse is possible, an external keyboard can offer a more comfortable and precise gaming experience. Remember to practice in various Roblox games to fully adapt to these controls. Also, always check for game-specific keybinds for unique actions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.